Hello everyone. So if you have reached out to this video, which means either you are interested to know about Android or you want to know more some interesting facts about Android. Quite possible you are an Android developer. So I believe that if you are doing some development on any platform, it's better to understand what that technology is, what are different facts about it, and what are the histories related to that system. So let's take a look on the history of Android. But before we go there, what is Android? So Android initially was developed by Android Incorporation, which was bought by Google in 2005. And Android was unveiled in 2007 along with the founding of the Open Handset Alliance, a consortium of hardware, software, and telecommunication companies which was devoted to advancing open standards for mobile devices. So, Android is a mobile operating system, so which is now being developed by Google, and it's based on Linux kernel and designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices like your smartphones, tablet, Android user interfaces, and it's mainly based on the direct manipulation using touch gesture that loosely correspond to the real world actions such as swiping, tapping, pinching, and to manipulate on-screen objects along with a virtual keyboard for text input. So in addition to touchscreen devices, Google has further developed Android TV for televisions, Android Auto for the cars, and Android Wear for wristwatches, each with specialized user interface. Variants of Android are also used on notebooks, game consoles, and digital cameras, etc. etc. So now this states that Android is an open source. So Android was built from a ground up to enable developers to create compelling mobile applications that take full advantage of all handset has to offer. It was built to be truly open. For example, an application can call upon any of the phone core functionalities such as making call, sending text messages, or using the camera, allowing developers to create rich and more cohesive experiences for the users. Android is built on the Open Linux kernel. So, furthermore, it utilizes a custom virtual machine that was designed to optimize memory, hardware resources in mobile environment, etc. So we can say that Android is open source. It can be liberally extended to incorporate new cutting edge technologies as they emerge. The platform will continue to evolve as the development community work together to build innovative mobile applications. So let's take a look on the versions. So have you ever noticed what is the format of the versions that they follow? Okay, if not, just look at this picture. So here you can see that it starts from C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and so on. This picture actually missing a couple of new ones, which is lollipop, marshmallow, and nougat. But it gives us a good handle that the pattern that they're following is the alphabets, and you can see that A and B is missing. So initially A and B is 1.0 version and 1.1, and that was like kind of the developer version, and those are like alpha and beta. So A and B is there. And then in 2009, April 27, the first commercial version was launched as Cupcake, and then Donut was launched as 1.6 September 15th, same year 2009, and in same year itself there was another version launch, Eclairs. Similarly, Froyo, gingerbread, honeycomb, ice cream sandwich, jelly beans, Kit Kat, lollipop, marshmallow, and the latest one is nougat. So, as I said a minute back, the platform will continue to evolve as the developer community works together to build innovative mobile applications, which means since 2008, this has really evolved a way ahead what it was in 2008 and what it is now in 2017. So let's take a look on the market of different, market shares of different versions of Android. So clearly it states that more than 60% is being covered by the Lollipop and Marshmallow, which is the two latest one. And Nougat is still catching up because this is just launched last year at the end, almost at the end of the year 2016. So, and then we have like KitKat. So, for example, if you build any application greater than 4.0, then I think you would cover at least 90% of your coverage. So there are quick references which I have used. I've used Android.com to check the history, Wikipedia, and some OpenHand Stalans for the Android overview. And for all the feature references, you can click on the below link. So thank you for watching. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel so that you can receive more inputs and more alerts whenever there's a new video uploaded on technical tutorials. Have a great day. Thank you.